Hi, this is Bob from WAMS Tech, and today we're going to show you how to finalize your term grades by making any manual adjustments, as well as entering in your effort grades, which in PowerSchool Unified Classroom is known as the citizenship grade. So let's take a look. All of our work so far has been within this grading menu, and the only sub-menu we haven't taken a look at yet is the grades menu here. So we're actually going to click on grades, and when this loads, you should see that you get a summative type report card view of your grade books for the selected class. Okay, so here I'm in my fourth period class, and I see that I've entered in quarter 3 grades. I have not entered in any quarter 4 grades. The E stands for exam, and the S stands for semester, right? Now, we can change what this screen displays by clicking on the drop-down menu here. And you can see that right now we're selecting all reporting terms. And if you want to get a little bit granular with some different reports, we can take a look at category totals. Right, where I can see what the grades are for homework and quizzes, and so for all my different categories that I have here. I can see what my comments are, right, for each of my students, as well as I can take a look at my traditional grades. And this is where we're actually going to do most of our work, here in the traditional grade menu. So here I can see what my semester grade is, because right now I have semester 2 selected. Right? I can change it by quarter. So if I need to make any manual changes, all we need to do is select the grade, and then I can change the grade and override what it's automatically displaying. So for example, this 95 should really be an A, not an A minus. I can do one of two things. Either I can click in this box and delete the minus, or I can select the minus icon here. So if I select the minus, you'll see it toggles between minus and not minus. Right? Or I could have gone in here and hit delete. Right? Then I could save my scores. If I ever needed to reset this grade based on how it's auto-calculated by the grade scale, all I need to do is select it and hit the reset icon here. You see it goes back to the A minus. Now, this really should be an A, so I'm going to select it, get rid of that minus, and save. Okay. Now, this other column here, citizenship, this is where we're going to go ahead and enter in our effort grades. So for each of these, you see that we have our excellent, satisfactory, needs improvement, and unsatisfactory. And just like when we were entering in grades, I have the ability to fill, right? So I can either use my keyboard, right? Or I can use the buttons. Okay? I can also use fill. So if I've entered in some of the other grades, I can select one cell, hit a citizenship grade, and then do fill up and down. And now you see that the citizenship has filled in, and then I just need to hit save. And finally, under the final grade status, okay, when my quarter 3 grades are complete and I have verified that those look accurate, I'll check the box. And if I need to make any comments, I can make some comments that'll get added to my status report. I hit save, and the final grade status, that will allow our admins to see a term grade report that have been verified by the teachers. Okay, and that's it. So all you have to do is go through your other classes and complete that same process. And that's it. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at robert.petito@woodward.edu. And as always, thanks for watching.